Okay, amigos, today we're going on a bear hunt. Are you ready, friends? Are you ready out? ¿Estás lista, Sassy? See? We're going on a bear hunt.
Let's go!
I got my friends with me.
That's awesome!
I'm not scared. Guys, check out that tall wavy grass. Can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're just gonna have to go through it.
Let's go!
Swish, 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 swish. We're going on a bear hunt. I got my friends with me.
That's awesome!
I'm not scared. Guys, check out that river. Can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're just gonna have to swim across. You guys ready?
Let's go!
Swish, swish, splash, splash. We're going on a bear hunt.
Okay!
I got my friends with me. I'm not scared. Oh no, look at all that mud. It's so muddy. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're just gonna have to go through it. And I just wore my white shoes too. It's okay. Squelch, 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 squelch. We're going on a bear hunt. Man, I'm starting to get tired. I got my friends with me.
That's awesome!
I'm not scared. Are you guys scared? No?
Oh!
Guys, what is that? Is that a cave? We can't go over it. We can't go under it. No way, Jose. We're just gonna have to go into it. Are you guys ready? Step, 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 step. We're going on a bear hunt. Woo! I got my friends with me. A good thing too, because I'm starting to get a little scared. I'm a little scared. What's that in the corner? I feel too big here. I feel one wet nose. I feel two sharp teeth. Guys, I know what it is. It's a bear! Quick, let's go back through the cave. Stop, stop, stop. Quick, back through the mud. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Quick, through the river. Swim, swim, swim. Back through the tall grass. Swish, swish, swish. Get back through the yard. Back into the house. Up the stairs. Oh, guys, we forgot to lock the door. We have to lock the door. Go back down the stairs. Lock the door. Let's not go bear hunting anymore. Okay?